G'day viewers, my name's Jeff, this is Alison.
Long time no see.
Welcome to Dark Mofo, Tasmania, 2025.
Cheers for that.
Hey viewers, it's that time of the year again. It is Dark Mofo and we are on our way into the Winter Feast and to check out Dark Park this evening. See what's going on in town and try out a few bevies along the way. It's Thursday night and we've caught the ferry across. If you are not familiar with Dark Mofo, it's basically a festival that happens each year in Hobart during winter time. Gets us all out of the house and not sitting around the fires at home. Dark Mofo runs for 11 days. This is the Winter Feast part of it. It's the wharf and they've transformed that into a huge, great big entertainment, eats and drinks hub.
What?
I thought he was a Sith.
Who?
Look, the guy over here, look over there, he's a Dark Lord.
Oh!
Look at him.
Dark Lord over there.
And then if you walk around the waterfront, you'll find Dark Park, along with other different instalments that are put up for the time that Dark Mofo is on. It isn't just in the city, so if you are thinking about coming down this way for this for Dark Mofo, make sure that you look up on the website because there's heaps more going on, lots of concerts and so on.
Alright, look at this.
The squids on a stick is incredibly popular here during Hobart festivals. The other thing that's quite rare are chairs, and we managed to find a really nice one here right in front of this fire pit.
Here comes Jeff. See if you can spot him. He doesn't realise he has that stupid bloody leaf hanging out of his head. They obviously don't have mirrors in the toilets. He's been wearing it all night and he's going to be so annoyed when he finds out.
Huh?
Nothing.
What happened?
Nothing.
I was looking for beers. What's wrong?
Speaking of food, there is such a fantastic diverse range of food at this event and also some very unusual foods, lots of slow cooked meats and yeah, yum. I reckon we got to the feast when it was about 5:30. It's probably more likely about 7 o'clock now and it's really starting to fill up.
Following Jeff, looking for a beer. He has no idea where he's going. Oh yes, please. I'll try one of those. Warm. Yeah, look at that. Look at the steam coming off it. Yum, yum. It's very dramatic. We're waiting for something to happen. Take on Dark Mofo this year, Jeff, so far.
Look, it's good. Not a lot of beers here.
There is, he just doesn't like any of them.
No, there's not. It's all Moo Brew, or there's Communion, which has got nothing here, or Albert. Albert Lager's alright.
Albert's pretty good.
It's all cider. It's all hot cider.
But the warm side is actually really nice because it's freaking freezing down here right now.
Freaking freezing.
It's freezing.
Oh, something's happening over there.
Here he comes. What'd you find out?
Well, they've got a lamb-infused gin. Lamb.
I don't know about that.
Infused gin. And they've got we're going to try an apricot gin.
Are we? He has no idea what he's talking about. I got a cross above my head. What do you think that means?
Oh, it's a video, isn't it?
It's a video!
I'm not a fan of the Willie Smith ciders.
Oh, sorry guys. Jeff's getting depressed.
I'm not.
He goes to these events and he doesn't like anything that's on the menu and then he starts getting all depressive.
It's not true.
He does.
It's not true. It's not true. Don't believe it. What are you saying? What I'm trying to say is, it's like 2 beer vendors here, and the rest is all ciders and wines.
It was time to leave the feast itself and start heading around to Dark Park and see what some of the instalments were over this side of town.
Jeff reckons they've got no clothes on down here.
This wasn't one of the installments, this was just some random people in the back of their boat that Jeff decided to perv on. Some guy just handed me a Bible. I don't even know what that says, but it's probably not a bad idea that I have it in my hand right now because there's all sorts of crap going down here in Hobart.
Inverted crosses.
What is that? He looks about as happy as I am right now.
You're an idiot.
Alright, we're headed to Dark Park. I got my Bible in my pocket.
Crazy. Are we lining up?
Why?
I'll line up for a drink, but I don't know.
Whoa!
Zombieland.
People sitting in here.
Really? Okay, I'm ready to go.
Look at the actual babies in here, look. What the hell? Child abuse. I'm out of here. Just one choice. That's good.
Just one choice.
Yeah, like it.
So one oxymoron?
Can you just pour one?
Yeah, I'll have one.
Don't charge it so I can have a taste of it.
Try it?
Yeah. No. Well, she's going to have one, but I'll.
Yeah.
You want some to eat?
Hey, no, we had heaps to eat.
Yeah. Thank you. Where to go? Sorry.
And that is
Thank you.
the oxymoron.
This installment is called Take a Knee and Scream Until You Can't Breathe.
Thanks, Jeff. That was beautiful.
Welcome.
I thought this was a big egg,
Oh, screaming.
but it's a huge fire, look. Woo-hoo-hoo. Everybody's screaming, I love it. This is going to be so good on Saturday night. Tomorrow night. Everyone's going to be screwing their ass up. Hey, I want to go in there.
In where?
In there.
Well, that's where we were.
Gonna burn those fears.
We're hooking up.
Yeah. If you wanted to experience what it was like playing a coffin, this is for you. You can just lie in a coffin for a little while, the guy come get you out, and then you can go in. Actually, you get a death photo as well. It's all pretty cool. If you're into death, here he goes. You're only in there for like less than a minute. Then he opens it up, you get out, probably collect your photo at the gift shop, and you're all good. We wandered around and caught a few more different installments before it was time for us to head home. After all, this was a working night and we were just out to have a bit of dinner and to check out what was going on. I love this dot painting. Thanks for sticking around and checking out our video about Dark Mofo in 2025. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe if you enjoy what we do, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.